Today's video, we are gonna be installing this Catless Downpipe. Turn into an influencer here.
Hell yeah, what's going on, y'all?
Yes, sir. Look how it sounds. See how that sounds? Ready? Oh shit, they saying licenses here? Where?
Nigga, that's licensing that XM, nigga.
Oh shit.
1000%, nigga.
And stay tuned, because later we're gonna be going to a car meet and we're dead gonna terrorize a car meet when we install this Catless Downpipe and be tuned. So we're gonna see what it feels like to car meet and drive this car with way more horsepower. So stay tuned for that. We got a lot in this video. I just got a clean car wash, as y'all can see. But before we go install this, hold on. And we got the clean peanut butter seats in here. One thing I do want to change is the steering wheel. That steering wheel is hot dog water, but never mind that. On the mods on the outside. So as y'all can see, this car is fully blacked out. This car did come with silver on this outer edge right here. So what I did is I chrome deleted the entire car, because if you have a black car, obviously you want to black it out. Like, I don't understand how people want to chrome out a black car, to each his own, but I like to go all black like a Batmobile. So boom, I got the chrome delete, as you can see, all around. I also replaced the front grills, the front silver grills with gloss black ones, because it just fits the all black persona I'm trying to go for. I got these custom plates. I had to get these tail lights. Hopefully y'all can hear me, because I'm in the city right now and this train is mad loud. This train is mad loud, gang. Also got this just to cover the rain. I'm trying to think, what else did I do to the outside of this car? I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something mad obvious. Oh, okay, here we go. Shout out to Bag Boys. This is a team that I'm in. Y'all gotta subscribe to the Bag Boys team channel. A lot of big things coming soon. I got this Bag Boys sticker. This is my clothing brand right here, Flip Money Talk FMT. I'm gonna show y'all the clothing brand. I got some hoodies dropping real soon. And then shout out Tree Sheet Racing. I copped this clothing brand, so I put a Tree Sheet Racing sticker right here. And so let me tell y'all what I did to the car, what I did to the engine. So right now the engine is technically full bolt-on, because I have a CTS turbo intake in here. I got an upgraded turbo inlet pipe in here. I got an upgraded intercooler in here, upgraded boost and charge pipe, and upgraded spark plugs. And I know y'all probably thinking, like, how you do all that and don't add the downpipe? Well, funny story, this is what happened. The first time I went, I had got a downpipe as a gift, right? So the downpipe I had got as a gift didn't fit my car. So here's the proper downpipe that fits an M55. And I also, my dumb ass, I didn't know I needed coils when I went full bolts on. So right now my car misfires if I go way too crazy. Like, if I was to do a stupid crazy pull, my shit going drivetrain malfunction, misfire. So I got performance coils. Hopefully that fixed the issue, because it says like misfire cylinder 1. So I'm praying it's because it has stock coils on a full bolt-on car, because it is tuned right now to stage 1. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to BMW codes, shout out BMW codes in a few. I'm gonna install these performance coils and install the proper downpipe. Then I'm gonna retune this car to stage 2+. So this car is gonna be a demon, I ain't gonna lie. This car is gonna be a demon. Right now it's calm. It's at 400 horsepower because it's stage 1. I'm really hoping the coils fix the misfiring issue. It has to be the coils. All right, y'all, so I got good news and I got bad news. Before I let y'all know the good and bad news, look at this sexy ass taillight animation. Nah, that shit is pain. That shit is pain. But nah, I got good news and I got bad news. So let me explain to y'all what's going on with this car right now. All right, so like I said, I got good news and I got bad news. The reason I didn't start the car yet though, y'all probably like, why are you sitting in this dark car? It's because I'm about to reflash the tune, because I tuned it wrong, but that's not even the bad news. So here's the good news first. So the good news is I got the Catless Downpipe installed. I tuned it to stage 2+, and I replaced the coils, and we got brand new ignition performance coils in here. So that's the good news. The bad news is that did not solve the issue, and the car is still misfiring. Goofy. Damn, gang. So what I think it is, I thought it was the coils that was bad at first, so it's not even the coils. So it misfired again, so it has to be the spark plugs. I'm guessing the shop I took it to, when I installed the upgraded NGK spark plugs, they didn't gap it properly. But thank God, BMW codes. They're gonna hold it down tomorrow. They're gonna check my spark plugs and they're gonna gap them properly if they're not gapped. And I'm praying that solves the issue, because if that doesn't solve the issue, I'm gonna have to drop a big bag on this car, because that means it could be a fuel injector leak, or that means it could be something with the valve cover leaking. But I'm praying that the first shop I took it to just didn't gap it properly, and it's as simple as that. And I just, BMW code, shout out to BMW codes. They are mad good at what they do. They're mad cool, mad chill, good customer service. Everything was great over there. And they deadass did the downpipe and the coils like in an hour and a half. Yo, they did that shit mad quick. Yo, shout out BMW codes. If you need work, definitely go there. I highly recommend them. But yeah, they're holding it down. They're gonna gap the spark plugs tomorrow. I'm praying that's what it is, because I can't even push the car how I want to push the car, because if I try to do like an aggressive pull, what ends up happening is it misfires. But I could drive the car calm. Like I'll say that's one of the good things as well. I could drive the car really calm. As long as I don't bug out, it won't misfire. Like I could literally cruise to 70 miles per hour, even 80, it won't misfire. But if I just aggressively pull, yeah, that shit is the engine gonna go to the gulag. And another thing that's the good news is, at first I was gonna cancel out on the gang and not go to the park and chill later, because we are going to a park and chill in this video with a bunch of cars, a bunch of people I'm cool with, and Bag Boys Auto Club, the team that I'm in. They're gonna be there. So, but the only thing is, I wanted to I wasn't gonna bug out, but I wanted to be able to have more fun, you know, maybe swim a little bit, maybe, you know, get some nice pulls in, maybe get a roll race in. But I'm not gonna be able to do that in this video, unfortunately, because I'm not gonna get the spark plugs done till tomorrow, and the meet is today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get some content for you guys. We're gonna drive around, do some POVs. The car still sounds nice. It still got pops and bangs. It still sounds amazing. You can still hear the intake. So I'm just gonna be on some chill shit. We're gonna be cruising with the guys. If they bug out, they bug out. I'm gonna just be in the back of the pack, cruising, chilling. I'm not chasing nobody. I'm gonna just be chilling. So yeah, because if I actually try to bug out, this engine's gonna get sent to the gulag, like I said. So we're about to reflash another stage 2 plus tune, because the first time I did the tune, I accidentally put the burbles to it only burbles at 20 miles per hour to 80 miles per hour. So it won't burble when I rev it. It only burbles when I'm in motion, which is pretty fire if you don't want to be annoying to your neighbors. But I also put the RPMs really high, so it's not gonna burble unless I'm over 2400 RPMs. So regardless, I'm not gonna be annoying to my neighbors, but I just want to be able to burble when I feel like I hate that I have to be over 20 miles per hour just to burble. So I'm about to reflash this tune. I'm about to go pick up VQ Casper. Shout out to VQ Casper. Tune into his YouTube channel. He got POVs as well. Y'all. Damn, it's mad dark in here. But yeah, y'all. So like I was saying, the car still sounds nice. So I'm gonna show y'all how this car sounds right now. Hold on, give me a second. I'm not wearing a head strap right now. I'm holding it. I'm gonna put on the head strap later when the shit get active. But let me show y'all. Look how it sounds. You see how that sounds? That just sound crazy, gang. Hope there's no cops here. I'm about to rev this shit. Hold on. I'm about to rev this for y'all so y'all can hear it. Ready? Yo, that sounds crazy. And then the intake sounds crazy, but y'all gonna see the intake later though. Y'all gonna hear the intake later. But let me chill out before I get pulled over in this Jewish neighborhood, gang. Yo, look, there's mad Jews outside. I don't know if y'all can see this, but yo, this is like a different universe. Like, I'm in Israel right now. I'm dead in Israel right now. Park and chill. Got the clean clean 335. Damn. Clean 335. Look at the wheels. This 335 right here. Stage 2, full bolts on, and he's on E now. Nah, it's over. Nah. Yo, right now I'm just cruising. Yo, what's going on with that shit, bro? Yo, it keeps saying misfire, right? So it gotta be the spark plug. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to change the spark plugs.
What you do for CMS?
Word. Got the G37, y'all. Full bolts on.
G37.
Flame tune. Y'all already know. Bag Boys. Clean 430.
No, fuck out here. Bro.
Super clean.
Bro, word of, no. I'm not gonna say. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying my ID right now, and it say 6'8". Nigga, 6'8".
Nah, he's dead at 6'8".
11, probably on a good fucking day, nigga. No. I'm not even saying.
I'm 6'4".
6'11" on a good day, nigga.
6'8" looks short on you. I'm like, this don't look like this don't look like 6'8". You feel me? That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, that means
Yo, how tall y'all think he is, y'all? Y'all think he's 6'8"? I think I'm 6 foot. 6 foot, 5'11.5 or 6 foot.
Bro.
Yeah, I'm 6 foot.
6 foot.
That's a fact. And look, you got the bad boy sticker on the top of the 430. Got Z in the cut.
Yo, what's the word, gang? GSPOB, man.
But yeah, like I said, y'all. Like I said, my car, we got VQ Casper right there. Like I said, my car is misfiring, so I'm not gonna tweak out. Y'all might get some nice sounding pops and bangs, but I'm not gonna do much. But I'm definitely gonna record the other cars bugging out. If they decide to bug out, I'll record them bug out, but I ain't gonna chase them. But nah, this car is beautiful. You got the AFE power coated intake. And then I got the CTS turbo coated intake. Actually, let me pop my hood. Maybe I can show y'all. Show y'all what's the word with the hood. Oh, yo, let's hope this shit don't blow up. I ain't gonna lie. Let's hope this shit don't blow up.
Your problem is always that, right? God damn.
Yeah, I replaced them.
What did you do that?
It was like when I first got the car. They used to be yellow, and them shits used to look ugly. So I did have to replace them. Yo guys, if y'all get one of these shits never stay like this. It's always like this, always everything but straight. But yeah, I got the CTS turbo coated intake. You already know, that's why that shit mad loud.
I need to see that downpipe. Can we see his downpipe?
Are you able to see it?
Yeah, right there, look. You can see it straight.
Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that, y'all. It's probably too dark for y'all to see.
Got people down.
Bro, it said 480 horsepower and I can't even use it. So technically I got like 200 right now because I can't even do pulls.
Limp mode, bro.
Limp mode. I'm the limp mode king.
Goofy.
I bet, y'all. I like to be in the back just so I could record everybody, but I think they're gonna be behind me, so. Oh, now we want to do pops. I knew these niggas gonna start bugging, y'all. I knew these niggas gonna start bugging. Look, hope it's not too windy for y'all either. Let me raise up the window for y'all. I can't really bug out. GG's. Gotta change my spark plugs, y'all, but. What the fuck is that? Oh, I thought that was the cops. I thought that Hondeezy was the cops. Oh yeah, there go Nick. There go Prince. Oh yeah. 435 tweaking. I told y'all I'm gonna get left. Cause I don't got my bro, you know how fast yo, that shit is yo, he's on E, y'all. He's bugging. He's bugging. Yo, I'm way behind y'all. I cannot do a pull. My shit gonna misfire. So I'm cruising. They wanna bug out, they can bug out. That's the sad truth though. Maybe I could get some pops and bangs. Let me go in manual. Yeah, they bugging up there. They doing pops and bangs, y'all. Let me see if I can get a little closer. Let me see if I can get a little closer, y'all. Cause he got his flame tune on. Where he at? Where he at? Oh, he up there. He up there. He up there, y'all. He up there. Oh yeah. Let me see if I get closer for y'all. The Germans is wildin'. The Germans is leaving me, y'all. Oh, I can't. Yo, if my spark plugs was 30, I would have been bugging right now. I would have been all the way in the front. I would have been all the way in the front. GG. Damn. This is how it feels to be slow. Damn. Damn. Nah. At least y'all can hear some pops. Fuck it. Woo! Y'all hear them pops? Yeah, they all the way. I don't know where they at. GG's. The intake, right? This shit sound crazy.
Oh, that's license right there, nigga. That's that license right
Really?
there, nigga.
Oh shit, they saying license is here? Where?
Nigga, that's license in that XM, nigga.
Oh shit.
1000%, nigga.
That was license? What the fuck? Where? Behind us?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so that last clip, that was when we left the second location. After that, we didn't really do much. All we did was get eats. This is the next day. We're currently headed to BMW Codes. As you can see, we're in mad traffic, bro. But we're headed to BMW Codes. They're gonna check out the spark plug, see if they need gap and see what's the issue. Hopefully they could figure it out. Shout out BMW Codes. It was the spark plugs. They're gonna figure it out. Ran into influencer here.
Hell yeah, what's going on, y'all?
Yes, sir. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so the issue, we figured out the issue. Shout out BMW Codes, yo, bro. All their mechanics, even the owners are mad cool, mad chill, bro. They're, yo, bro, I highly recommend that shop, BMW Codes. They know what they're doing. It was definitely the spark plugs. So the shop I went to originally, they didn't, like, when they installed it, they must have like twisted the bolt too rough, and they dented like the white part of the spark plug. Like that part of the spark plug is very important. If you dent it at all, GG is gonna get a misfire. So BMW Codes is gonna give me new spark plugs. They're gonna install new spark plugs. And you know what's crazy? The reason I went to them was because of that that influencer I ran into, D. Yo, I dead be seeing his TikToks, his Instagram reels, and I came across his 335 videos a couple of times. And the reason I went to BMW Codes is because when I was looking for like reliable mechanics or reliable shops, I dead seen his video, and he was like, yeah, this is my 335, I'm at BMW Codes, blah blah blah. So I was like, bet, I'm gonna go to BMW Codes. And it's crazy, I dead ran into him when I went there. That's crazy. But yeah, shout out to him. He's doing his thing. It's crazy the connections that the car community really brings you into. I'm dead glad that I'm stepping my foot into the car community with content. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. Tune into the next video. We're gonna get these spark plugs fixed and we're gonna start plugging.